Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck. I want to thank you for watching this video. Before I get started, if you want to see more videos from me, just click the subscribe button that's below this video and click the bell icon next to it in case you want to receive updates for when I make a new video. Today I want to talk about using a system to promote your business opportunity and what elements you want in that system so you can be successful at it. Okay? The first thing is you want a system that has step-by-step detailed instructions, preferably in video form. This way, when your leads go in to set up their own system, they can not only hear how to set it up, but also see the step-by-step way in order to set up their systems, okay? So that's a really important thing, because with the second point, it needs to be newbie friendly. There are many people coming online every day who want to start their own online business, but they don't know where to begin because they've never done it before. They might not know what an email autoresponder is, or what a lead capture page is, or what traffic is and how to drive traffic. So a system to promote any type of online business, any type of affiliate marketing or network marketing business has to be newbie friendly enough that will explain all of these technical things and how they work and how to set it up so they can be successful with the system. Next, a really good system has multiple streams of income. So you're not just getting money from one business opportunity. You're getting money from several different streams, several different companies. Not all of them can be business opportunities. Some of them could be like a traffic source where you earn commissions from that traffic source. It could also be an email autoresponder where you can earn commissions from the email autoresponder. It could be other types of marketing products that you could earn commissions from. All of those things can be in one system along with the business opportunity. So that way you can earn multiple streams of income. Next, it's good to have some of these streams of income to give you high ticket commissions. And by high ticket commissions, I'm talking about commissions that are like over $1,000, like $500, $1,000 or more. And not all of the income streams not all of them can have that. That's fine. But one of your income streams, at least one of them, should have that component where you can earn several hundred to several $1,000s at one time from just the sale of one product. Okay? And also, the next step, the system has to be duplicatable. And that goes back to being newbie friendly. The system has to be set up in a way where anyone who joins you in the business opportunity can get themselves set up in the system and start driving traffic to it and be able to be successful at it. Okay? That's what it means to be duplicatable. People see what you're doing and they're able to duplicate your efforts in order for them to be successful at it. That's the duplication part of it. A good system also needs lead capture pages, and not just one lead capture page, but several different lead capture pages that you can use in order to drive traffic to it and generate leads. Now, some systems I've seen would have like one or two capture pages, and that's okay, but the problem that you'll run into is that if everyone is using like the same two lead capture pages, and they're going to these traffic sources, let's say solo ad providers and these solo ad vendors, and the solo ad vendors and their email lists are seeing the same exact capture page over and over and over again, it becomes saturated and the list gets tired of seeing that. Okay, so the effectiveness of your lead capture page goes down as a result. So some people might have started out getting 40% opt-in rates on their lead capture page, but because there's a whole bunch of other people using the exact same capture page, that opt-in rate starts going down to like 20%. Okay, so that's basically why if you get into a system, hopefully that system has several different lead capture pages that you can choose from, so that not everybody are using the same one or two capture pages. Next, a really good system will provide you with traffic sources. And not only just the traffic sources themselves, but they'll also have detailed step-by-step videos showing you how to generate traffic to your lead capture page and how to generate leads, and like how to do solo ads, how to find really good solo ad vendors, how to do other types of advertising, free advertising, other paid traffic sources. And they give you detailed instructions in video format, and they actually show in video exactly how they buy traffic. Okay? Another thing that a good system has is a community. And by community, I mean that they have like their own Facebook group, where all the people who are using the system can go into that community, that group on Facebook, and they talk about the results that they're having. And that's a good place to go, because you can also go there and ask questions. Like, you might not understand something, you can ask a question in the group, and there'll be plenty of people that will help you. And also, there's no need for hand-holding. By this, I mean that some business opportunities, you have a sponsor that brings you into the opportunity. And some people think that they have to rely on their sponsor in order to be successful in the business. And if you have a system that is step by step and shows you exactly what you need to do, you don't really need a sponsor. The sponsor just got you into the program, but you don't need that sponsor to be successful. All you got to do is follow the instructions on setting up your system, how to drive traffic to the system and generate leads, how to follow up with those leads. And, the sponsor is just the person that introduced you to the business opportunity. They're not needed. They don't need to hold your hand every step of the way in order for you to be successful. Okay? The system is there to help you. And the final thing, promoting the system and not the income streams. By this I mean, and it goes back to the multiple streams of income. Now, you have these multiple streams of income in your system, but all you have to do is promote the system itself. So you'll get a link to your lead capture page, and the link is for the system itself, not for the different income streams inside it. The system will promote the income streams for you. You don't have to do that. Now, one really good thing about this is that, let's say you have several different income streams inside the system, and one of those companies goes out of business. Okay? One of those companies goes out of business, and it really doesn't matter, because you can replace that company with a different company. Okay? So if you lose one income stream, you could just replace it with another income stream. It doesn't matter, because you're not promoting that particular company. You're promoting the system itself. And the system can always be promoted, even if any of these streams of income changes or gets dropped off. It doesn't matter. It's the system that promotes the income streams, not you. So all you have to do is just continue to promote the system. One of the income streams ends up going out of business, closing up shop, whatever, doesn't matter. You just keep promoting the system, because the system will promote the other streams of income, and one of the other income streams, the one that got closed up, whatever, can be replaced with something else. Doesn't matter. You're promoting the system, not the income streams. Okay? So you want to find a system that has all of these elements. And for me, I found a system that has all of those elements. And that system is called FunnelX ROI. There are 5 streams of income inside of this system. I'm not going to go over them in this video. I've made other videos where I went into detail about them. But if you click the link below this video, it's the very first link, and you put in your email address after you get to that page, it'll take you to a video that explains all about Funnel X ROI. But the last thing I want to show you is that Funnel X ROI has a community. It has a Facebook group. And in this Facebook group, you will see people who are getting really great results with Funnel X ROI. Here, just 2 hours ago, Josh Welder, he's made over $27,000 in his first 28 days with Funnel X ROI. Okay, and he gives some advice here on how he did it. Next, 5 hours ago, Sam Randall, he's made over $19,000 in less than 90 days. Okay, and that's just from one income stream. It doesn't even include the other 4 streams of income. Okay, so yes, there are people who are making money. Ontarian Hawkins, he made $901 yesterday, $849. This was back on November 29th, but $901, $849. Karen Merrill, December 13th, made $500. And, you just go down the list. Let's see, Nick Pratt. Let's see, over the last 7 days, just from 2 sales, he made over $1,700. So these people are using this system that has all the elements that I just went over. It has the step-by-step instructions, detailed, very detailed videos from the creator of Funnel X ROI. His name is David Deagle. It's newbie friendly. It's got 5 streams of income. One of those streams of income have high ticket commissions. It's duplicatable. It has, at the time of me making this video, has at least 10 lead capture pages. He goes over traffic sources and his secret traffic sources. I just showed you the community, the Funnel X ROI Facebook group. There's no need for hand holding. You don't need a sponsor to help you become successful in this business. You just watch the videos, do what they say, and start driving traffic to it. And of course, the last thing, all we do is promote the system, not the income streams. We just promote the system and let the system do the selling for us. So if you're not in a business opportunity that has those elements, or you're looking for a business opportunity, just click the first link below this video. When you go to that page, put your email address in, and then you'll receive all of the information of how Funnel X ROI works, and then you'll be given the opportunity to activate your own system and get yourself set up with multiple streams of income. Again, this is Michelle Roebuck. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.